to make the output of this question, we have to write a code like now we check the output of the code. Then there is an enter number because we write enter number. If you change, you have to write day. Then you can now rerun the code. Now this is to be think that there is no colon. If we add colon and space bar, then we see now there is a code enter day and colon. So we have to write a day SUN holiday. Now you can see that our question is to be completed. These are output of the code. So now question is to be completed. Bye dosto. We meet on the next video.